Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I'm down here with my buddy, Volkswagen Jerry. And we're looking at his 1974 Volkswagen Thing. Now, if you know me good, you know I cut my teeth with these V-dubs all through the 90s, living the van life before van life was cool, had dozens of bugs and buses, but I've never had a Volkswagen Thing. And boy, is this one pretty. Yeah, it's had a complete restoration in the last 5 years. Jerry's totally gone through it. Up, down, top, bottom. Look at that top. Look at the paint. Look at the wheels. Started with a rust-free thing. They stripped it down. They painted it. I think he was saying this was a Ford color from the 90s. Some sort of blue, and it's got a stock 1600 engine. I took a bunch of still pictures, please check them out. And this thing is ready to roll. It's got a beautiful top on it, soft top. Jerry's got the hard top too. That'll come with the sale, and doesn't get much better than this. Doesn't get much better than this. Let's take a peek inside. Got beautiful upholstery. Everything is just brand new. You need some dad's root beer, we got you. Changed out the steering wheel, but it is classy. Looks like Jerry's got a flask in there. And gosh, this one is ready for cars and coffee. This is a showstopper. Beautiful, beautiful 1974 Volkswagen Thing. I mean, really tastefully done. Look at these windows. They got these custom windows on here. He's talking about aluminum aircraft frames, you know, good glass. Jerry didn't hold out doing this one. A lot of time, money, and energy was spent, as you know, to restore these cars these days. It's serious business. But whew, did they do this one justice. It's totally mechanically sound. The 1600 is solid. It's not leaking any oil. It's been recently gone through. Jerry's got a good mechanic out here, takes care of his Volkswagens. He liked those running boards. He said the 74s didn't come with them, so he put them on this one. Jerry had a 73, and he made this 74 very similar to his 73 that he loves so dearly. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It doesn't get much better than this. 1974 Volkswagen Thing. There's Jerry out there. It's pruning his tree or something. Yeah, really cool guy. Loves his Volkswagens. And we're actually going to get 2 out of his collection. We'll do some stills and some videos of the next one. So keep your eyes open. Hey, if you like these old Volkswagens like I do, and you know I love them, you should give me a call. My name's Michael Platt, and I own Platt Motors in Anderson, California. My number is 707-599-9448, plattmotors@gmail.com. My website is plattmotors.com. There's Jerry's missus. And yeah, give me a call. I don't expect this one to last long. Last video of the Triumph, I sold it 4 days. Not common, but definitely happens. So this one's the real deal. This one needs nothing. This one has 2 tops. This one has a recent restoration. This one started with a rust-free shell. And so this is California. This is a 1974 Volkswagen Thing. Please give me a call. Let's talk Volkswagens. Let's get this one into your garage. I can help with shipping anywhere in the country. This one obviously needs to go enclosed. And you need sample quotes, you just give me a call, let me know what your zip code is, we'll get you some sample quotes, and let's get you living the dream. Volkswagen time, baby. 1974 Volkswagen Thing, Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I look forward to talking to you soon.